Hello everybody to lesson 14 of HTML5 Deep Understanding course. In this course we will learn about links in HTML. First of all, we should know that any website should contain a lot of links. So there is a lot of websites that works with each other, externally, means that the links could work external or internal inside the same website. So it could link from one HTML element to another. So how does these links works, and what are these links? First of all, we have learned previously in one lesson the link, which is A, and the text that we want. For example, we will write here صفحة tech, which is our website.com that you could visit, and here we have href, means the URL that we want. We will write here www.safhatech.com. So in this place, when you save it and load the website, it will lead you save. When you click at this, it will lead you to another website. So here I have no network, so it will lead you to another website in another server. But here we could also add it for the same, in the same place. For example, I will add here, for example, a file, for example, an image, or anything that you need. A file, for example, I will say desktop, or any file that you want. When you click in this file, in this path, it will lead you to a file. For example, I will create here a file and return back and see what you have. Okay, here I'll create here a file. For example, I will create file here, new directory. I will call it new file. Okay, so here I will click inside the new file. I will create another HTML file, which I will call it new file. Okay, and I will print here h2. This is new internal file or external file. Okay, save it and come to the lesson. Here we have, if he clicked in this, he will go to the new file. Inside it we have new file.html. So save it and go and refresh the website. So the other link, should we delete the previous one? Delete this one and refresh the website. And when we click, it will lead to this is new external file. So it has work and went to other file. There is some attribute for the href. One of them is the title. We could write the title here. We call it, for example, title, only symbol. Here, refresh. When you hover, it would print, or would show you the title of that. We should go back. Refresh. When you hover over this link, it would show you the title, which is here, title. You could change it for whatever you want. For example, you could change it for صفحة tech. Save. Go back. Refresh. Hover. صفحة tech. It's great. We have another attribute, which could be the target, means in which place you want to open this URL. For example, we have four here. We have blank, or parent, or self, or top. Blank means open this website in another tab bar in the browser, means when you click you will open it in another. Parent means open this in the same window. The self, open it in the same top, open it in the top of the same. So self is the default. For example, if you write self, if you and save, refresh, click, it is the default as the previous one. For example, if you write self or you delete it, it's the same. Save it, refresh, click, the same. There's no changes. But if you write here, instead of self, we write blank, means a new nav bar. Okay, I will save it, refresh, then click. Look, it has been opened another tab bar and another window. For example, I will click here, opened in another window. The other one, which is parent means in the same window. Refresh, click, it's in the same window. It's like the self. Oops, I have closed it. So we have understood the target. What do we mean with target? The other tag, which is, I will write here only self. Yes, it will be only the self target. The another point is the bookmark. We could add this link for as a bookmark. For example, if we have a big amount of text here, for example, I will write here h1, and I will write inside that is h1 hello world, and I will create duplicate it many times. Okay, so save it and refresh here. I'm sorry, we should double click the file. Okay, so you could see here how many tags we have, how many hello words we have. So if you need to go down, you should scroll, but there is another way with HTML, which when you click in this link, it would lead you to the last or to the bottom. So how we could meet that? We'll go to the bottom of the of our file, and we'll write here, I will write here the end h1, and I'll write here the end. Okay, and we should define a tag which is id, an attribute which is id, and write end. Save it. Take this tag name, Ctrl+C, and copy it. Then go to this place, and the href means the URL of the destination that you want to go. Write this hash and the tag that we have written, I mean the attribute, which is end, the ID. The ID of this tag is end, and the ID should be unique. So when we click on this link, it should go to the end. Hash end means the ID of end. So it will go and search where is the end, and we'll find it here and go to that place. Okay, let's save it and refresh and try it. Refresh. Now let's try that one. Let's click, and it has been gone to the end. So when you click that URL, that link, it would go to the end of that file. So when we click to that link, it would go to the end of that file. So this is one of the using, which is the bookmark. Let's delete these tags. Okay, we have another point in our lesson today, which would be we have no URL. Any element or any tags in HTML could be a link. For example, if you have an image and you need a customer, when he clicks on your image, he wants to another page or do another action. So we could add that with only add image tag here, and image tag. We'll create image tag here, and inside this src, which means the source, we will add the destination or the URL of the file. For example, here we'll have the png. This is our image. I will identify the width of that image to 400 pixel and the height to 400 pixel to pixel. See that? And now when we refresh, it would go, for example, let's go to the new file. So when we click the image, it would go to a new file. Let's refresh. Okay, now you could notice that when we hover that image, we have a title which called صفحتك. You could see, look, صفحتك. This is a title showed when we hover that image. Also, you could change that the cursor changed to a hand. Here is a normal cursor, but here the mouse cursor changed to a hand, so it means this is a link. When we click, it would change to another path. When we click, we change to another path. For example, you need, when they click at that button, they go to for example Google or our website, for example www.safhatech.com. Save and reload. When they click, you will go to our safhatech.com. It's enough for this lesson, and see you in the next lessons. Bye.